I asked seniors across the U.S. one question. What's quietly stealing your health, your mind, your energy, your independence? The answers were not what I expected. Today, I'll reveal the 5 overlooked habits that rapidly improve senior wellness, protect mental health, and help you feel strong at any age, plus a simple 7-day plan you can start tonight. You might be doing everything right, taking your medications, eating what you think is healthy, walking when you can, yet your energy is low, your sleep is broken, and stress lingers. Maybe you're worried about memory, mood, and staying independent. If that's you or someone you love, this video is your blueprint. At Healthy Hub, we test what actually works. Practical, senior-friendly routines you can sustain. In the next few minutes, you'll see 5 high-impact shifts for senior health, each with clear actions, simple science, and a 7-day starter plan. Stay to the end for a 15-minute daily routine I use with family members over 65. Let's start with the biggest multiplier, sleep. Poor sleep worsens mood, memory, blood pressure, appetite, and pain sensitivity. Deep, consistent sleep is the #1 lever for better senior wellness and mental health. Your plan: keep the same bedtime and wake time every day. Get 30 to 45 minutes of morning light on your porch or during a short walk. Set your caffeine cutoff 8 hours before bed and your alcohol cutoff 3 to 4 hours before bed. For wind down, try a warm shower, dim lights, and 10 slow breaths, counting 4 seconds in and 6 seconds out. If you want a gentle bedtime-only aid, you can consider Sleepline. Some seniors report it helps them settle down faster. If you try it, start low, track how you feel, and discuss any supplement with your healthcare provider. There's a link in the description with a viewer discount. Next, protein plus movement. Sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, drives fatigue, instability, and low mood. Muscle is protective tissue. It supports balance, glucose control, and brain health. Build each meal around protein: eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, chicken, beans, or tofu. Add 2 to 3 strength sessions per week using chair squats, wall pushes, light dumbbells, or resistance bands. Sprinkle in 5 to 10-minute walking snacks, especially after meals. That post-meal walk helps your blood sugar, reduces afternoon crashes, and even supports sleep later. Third, break the loneliness loop on purpose. Social isolation increases risk for depression, cognitive decline, and poor sleep. Scheduled connection is medicine. Put 2 standing social blocks on your calendar each week: a morning coffee group, a faith-based gathering, a library book club, a Tai Chi class, anything you enjoy. Add micro-connections: 1 short text or call after breakfast, and 1 brief FaceTime mid-week. Once a month, volunteer for an hour. Purpose is a powerful antidepressant. Fourth, train your balance for 5 minutes a day. Fear of falling leads to less movement, which then makes falls more likely. Balance improves quickly with tiny sessions. Stand near a sturdy counter. Practice heel-to-toe walking, a gentle single-leg stand with 1 finger on the counter, slow marching in place, and side steps. Add ankle strength with towel scrunches and calf raises while holding the sink. 5 minutes a day compounds into confidence on stairs, curbs, and uneven sidewalks. Fifth, support energy at the source, your mitochondria. If you wake up tired, the issue may be cellular energy, not motivation. Gentle cardio, nutrient-dense foods, and targeted support can help. Choose 20 to 30 minutes of easy walking most days. Eat colorful produce and omega-3s from salmon, sardines, walnuts, or flax. Hydrate with water and a pinch of minerals if your provider agrees. If you're curious about targeted support, Mitolyn was designed to support cellular energy pathways. If you explore it, review the ingredients with your provider and monitor your morning energy and afternoon stamina. There's a discount link in the description. Let me show you how quickly this can work. Meet M, age 72. 3 problems: up twice nightly, a 3 p.m. energy crash, and nervous on curbs. For 14 days, we stacked small wins. A consistent 10:30 p.m. bedtime morning light on the porch, a protein-forward breakfast, a 10-minute walk after lunch, 5 minutes of balance drills at the kitchen counter, and an optional sleep-lean trial on nights she felt wired. By week 2, she woke up fewer times. Her afternoon felt steady without extra coffee, and she stepped off curbs with noticeable confidence. No boot camps, no complicated diets, just simple, repeatable wins. Here's what you learned today. 1. Prioritize sleep and morning light. 2. Build muscle with protein and gentle strength. 3. Schedule connection to protect mental health. 4. 5 minutes of balance prevents big problems. 5. Support cellular energy with movement, nutrition, and, if appropriate, Mitolyn. Your 7-day starter plan looks like this. At night, a consistent bedtime, a warm shower, lights down, and slow breathing. In the morning, get light exposure on your porch and choose a protein breakfast. During the day, walk 10 minutes after lunch and do a 5-minute balance flow near a counter. Plan 1 social call and 1 in-person meetup this week. If you want to try Sleep Lean for sleep or Mitolyn for energy, check the links and discounts in the description and always consult your healthcare provider. If you want my printable Senior Wellness Daily Routine checklist, it's linked below. If this was helpful, subscribe and tell me in the comments. Which tip are you starting tonight? Sleep, protein, balance, or connection? Next video, we're releasing 7-minute morning mobility for seniors. Feel 10 years younger by lunchtime. Don't miss it. General information only, not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider about your personal situation.